My name is Ricardo Souto. I am an architect. And I want to talk to you about the benefits of the makerspace. There's two things that I want to tell you. The first thing is that from now on, there's going to be, well, actually, right now, there's a big issue in architecture with retail space. The issue is that people are basically buying things online, and there's a lot of retail space that is becoming available that we don't have anything to do with. Stores are taking their products off the shelves and they're putting it on pictures online. So the space that we used to occupy with stores is no longer available, and there's an opportunity to do things like maker spaces there. And the second thing that I want to tell you about the benefits of the makerspace is that the technology that you could use to make wonderful things is basically free because it's digital. But if you want to rent it to other companies, they charge you a lot of money. So even though the technology is free, the cost of manufacturing whatever you want to do is still very expensive. Now, if you bring a makerspace like that, where you buy the technology and you make it available almost for free, you could do anything that you want for the cost of material, which is unheard of given how valuable the technology that we could use is. We could 3D print whatever we have in our minds. We can design and 3D print in a matter of hours. We can sculpt furniture with any figure and shape that you want. You know, the only limitation is the depth of the of the machine. One more benefit of the makerspace: in one place, you have the resources and the technology to build from a very small scale object to a complete living room. So you could 3D print with a scale of a fraction of a millimeter, or you can build a whole table. You could build a whole couch or a kitchen, or whatever material you can fit inside the machine. You can do anything that you want with it. That's the benefit of it. That's the future of manufacturing. That's the future of instead of buying things off the rack, you basically design it and do it yourself, and you build it yourself. That's where the future of manufacturing and construction is. You can involve kids from a really young age to become not only familiar with the process of manufacturing materials, but with digital design. Meaning, you can get kids involved in the process of inputting information into the computer and being able to extract it in the form of an object in the real world, which normally you would have to go to school, learn how to carve, you learn how to weld and things like that. And you wouldn't involve the machine in the process. Now you can get kids which are already familiar with machines, get them to design their own things in the digital world and extract it in the real world in the form of the object that they thought about. I want to invite you to be a part of our makerspace, and I want you to get your hands dirty with us.